Today we are here to celebrate the good trouble that Lillian Blackwell created and left behind as her legacy here in Fairfax County.
3, 2, 1.
We are, as a commission, particularly honored to have been involved in the Black African American Marker Project, which was initiated by Fairfax County Supervisor Palchik, as a way to bring the full historical story of the African American experience to Fairfax County.
This is the kickoff, the launch of what's been a multi-year process where it was a joint board matter between the Board of Supervisors and the School Board, History Commission, our Black community here in Fairfax County, to really learn about and tell and share more of the stories and really glorify some of the wonderful people who've been part of the history here of Fairfax County and our Black and African American community.
It is part of our whole history, the good, the bad, the inspiring, the things we need to learn from that past, and we need to face that in order to create that better future. This truly is the one Fairfax policy.
Lillian Blackwell, a civil rights activist, was born in 1911, and similar to John Lewis, she was a disciple that brought insight, stamina, energy, and ability to speak out against a variety of injustices that she witnessed in Fairfax County. From the exclusion of Black citizens from movie theaters, exclusion of true equal education, and even into the world of Girl Scouts. Lillian Blackwell did all this and then some, and she raised 6 children, drove a school bus, started the Black Women United for Action group, headed the county chapter of the National Council of Negro Women, I'm tired already, volunteered at the first integrated Northern Virginia summer day camp, and last but not least, she was a quilter who quilted and chronicled the history of African Americans in Fairfax County.
I thank each and every one of you for coming out to recognize the accomplishments and contributions that my mother contributed to this area. My mother was raised not 300 yards from here. I raised my kids here in this community. This was our community. So it's appropriate that the marker be here.
Well, we celebrate our history. We recognize our history. We know that by doing that, we become better. And we learn from the past. And it reminds us of how important inclusion and tolerance and acceptance and embracing our diversity has made us stronger and better and more successful as a community, and others could learn from that.